What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Code Guru, and I'm always looking for the best discount codes for your favorite apps and websites. Today's video is Uber Eats. You probably know that Uber Eats is super expensive. They add a ton of fees and delivery fees, so it's always good to find a discount code that saves you money. Today's video is all around a Uber Eats promo code that's going to give you $100 account credit. So I say dollars, but as you can probably hear, I'm in the UK, so this will be around 80 Great British pounds for me, or whatever local currency you use. This code will not only reduce your basket, but I'm assuming you're not going to do a $100 order, so this will credit your account a balance that you can spend as you wish. So let me show you guys where you can get this $100 discount code for Uber Eats. You need to open up the internet on your mobile phone, as you can see here. I'm using Safari on iPhone, but you can use whatever internet you use. Now you need to go to www.giftcardhero.net, and as you can see here, here's an Uber Eats page, but to find this we need to press this menu button. Go here, type Uber. Now there is two pages on Gift Card Hero, so you've got the Uber promo codes, which is sort of the traveling Uber, and then you've got Uber Eats. So you just need to find this Uber Eats page. I'm going to click it, scroll down, and this is the section that we're interested in, guys. This is going to give us the discount code. So we need to press this reveal code button. It's a green button, you can't miss it. Now when this page loads up, as you can see, this is a verification step. Essentially, guys, this protects the codes and stops people stealing them. So this will verify that you're not a robot. So you just read the instructions here, complete 2 of the free app/survey offers. So essentially we've got a list of apps and surveys. They're all completely free and they take about 30 seconds to complete, if that. So I'm going to click on this Primark gift card. This looks like a survey. Wait for it to load up, answer the quick questions, and now I'm going to enter in my email address. You've got to make sure you put in your correct info, guys, because this verifies you're a real person. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to choose a second one as well, and I'll complete both of these and I'll come back to the video. It took me a few minutes and I actually completed 2 of these surveys. So now once you've successfully done this, completed 2 of them, you should now see a tab pop up. So it's that page again at Gift Card Hero, but this time when you scroll down, yes. So this is my one-time use code. So this, when I enter it into my promo code section on the Uber Eats app or website, it's going to give me $100 to spend on anything I wish. And that can be spread across multiple orders, just however you want to spend it. One thing I will say, guys, is, like I said, I completed 2 of these offers, but sometimes it glitches, so you can just try another one. Keep doing it until you see the tab pop up, and that means it's successful and you're going to get your code. So go and get your own, guys. giftcardhero.net. Follow the instructions and enjoy your free food.